time for another edition of
What We're Cooking. I'm Nick.
And today it's Burger-Palooza.
We're having lamb burgers, turkey burgers, and French fries.
That's right. So these are, your basic French fries out of the bag. We're going to put them in this oven at 425 for about 30 minutes. Now, lamb burger. This is ground ground lamb, made by my friends at
Snake River Farms.
Nope.
Oh, sorry.
At Mazzio's at Guido's. And this is ground turkey that we got from Mazzio's. And your mom, Deborah Roberts, kind of chopped up and put some peppers and some onions in there. This has fresh mint and rosemary in it. And so we're going to bring these over here. I'm going to do the turkey in this nonstick pan. I'm going to do the lamb in that cast iron skillet. So I've got a good heat going. Now, the lamb. And with burgers, I like grilled onions. So I cut up a couple of onions. I'm just going to slowly saute these. The beauty of the onion is it's got a fair amount of sugar in it. So as you cook it slowly, it caramelizes, gets nice and sweet, and that tastes so good on the top of a burger.
Yes, it really does.
We finished the burgers up, so Nick, why don't you give them a rundown of what we got?
French fries, onions, Swiss chard, lamb burgers, and a turkey burger, and a salad.
That's right, and so there you have it. We forgot one thing. That Swiss chard was made by
Deborah Roberts.
Who is leaving.
He
wants that credit, but what are you going to do? That's another edition of
What We're Cooking.
I'm Al.
And I'm Nick. And I have to take these out.
Get going. Careful. Careful.
I'm being careful.
Careful.
No, I got him. I got him here.
I can help.
No.
Careful. Be careful. He's going to trip.
No, I'm not going to trip. Dad!